Choosing the wrong web hosting can be a digital disaster, so let's find out if Namecheap is the hidden gem or a potential headache. First, let's talk budget. Namecheap often runs promotions, offering seriously tempting introductory prices on their shared hosting plans. Look closely, though why these prices usually jump significantly upon renewal. Signing up is generally smooth, requiring the standard information and payment details. Pay attention to the add-ons they offer during sign-up. Why many are useful but can inflate the final price. Carefully deselect what you don't need. Namecheap uses cPanel, a user-friendly control panel. Navigating through it is easy, so you can manage files, databases, and email accounts with relative ease. Website speed is crucial. While performance varies depending on your plan and optimization, expect decent, but not blazing fast, load times. Optimizing images and using caching plugins are highly recommended. Namecheap's customer support is generally responsive, especially their live chat. However, complex issues might require escalating to a ticket. The verdict: Namecheap is a solid option for beginners and those on a tight budget. However, weigh the renewal costs and potential performance limitations against your needs before committing long-term.